Welcome to the OnFees. To fill online form, you have to go on college website. You will get the form filling link. Once you click on the link, it's come on OnFees login form. First step, you have to enter your mobile number for login. Second step, you will get the OTP on your mobile number. You have to enter that OTP. And click on Submit, and move forward. In application form, first step, selecting category. If you are in open category, you will select open. Or, you are in reserve category, you will select that. And upload relevant document to support that reserve category. At personal information, you have to fill your all personal information in this section. Make sure you enter details should be correct, that will reflect in your admission form. In address information, you have to enter your permanent address and correspondence address. In academic, education information, first you have to select the which stream you applied. Second step, in pass with exemption, if you got grace mark, then select yes. Or if you pass with all subject, then select no. Third step, you have to upload the 10th and 12th mark sheet. And fill your all education details as same as mentioned in 10th and 12th mark sheet. In extracurricular activities and interest, if you belong sport category, you have to fill this section. In parents, guardians information, you have to enter your parents or guardian details. Make sure your all details should be correct, which will reflect in your admission form. If anything is not applicable, kindly write down NA. In declaration and applicant photo and signature information, first you have to upload applicant passport size photo with white background. And upload applicant signature image with white background. Then upload parents or guardian's signature image with white background. Its image size should be up to 1 Mbps. Click on the both declaration box. And click on the Done tab. Next, submit the declaration. In upload documents, you have to upload your last educational organization certificate or ID, proof, address proof. And it should be up to 1 Mbps. In course selection, over there, you will have to select what courses you want to specialize yourself in. You can also select multiple courses. You have to enter pre-enrollment number, which is number provided by university, and upload that relevant application form. And click on Submit to further. In payment summary, select one payment mode from given payment modes. And click on Pay. Enter valid card details, or bank details here. Then click on Make Payment, and proceed further. Click on Generate Receipt. You will get an option to download receipt and admission form. Keep your application form with you for further process.